Ang kanina ka po describes as one of the 10 cybercrimes po. Ito naman po ang combating cybercrimes. Network and security. Before the hacker can get through your authorized file, he or she is targeting the hacker to get through the cybersecurity measures like firewalls, secure connection, password, anti-malware, and data encryption. This process is converting raw data into code. However, these methods are not 100% secure. There will be ways for the hacker to hack. For example po nito, ang network security is paghihingi po ng second verification code and PIN. And lastly po yung ginagamit po nila na to verify you are a human or a computer. Yung may iniikot-ikot ka po. Investigation. URL tracing and logging used by websites to track your unique IP address. This can be used by investigators to track the hacker in privacy. Trackers are used to identify IP address currently sharing and pirated file. Ang investigation naman po ay pwede natin po gamitin is Facebook. Ang Facebook po is pagkawari pa may iba pong device or something na nag-open po doon ng same account, nagbibigay po siya ng IP address. For example po sa Facebook, sinasabi niya po, you're currently logged in here in Bataan. Yung binibigay po niyo yung IP address po. Penalties. More and more laws are being created and implemented today. Penalties include both fine and imprisonment. Ang penalties naman po is yung pagkakakulong. Yung kapalit po ng ginawa mo pong paghahack is pwede ka po doon makulong. Thank you po, ma'am. God bless. Thank you po.